Millennials, Gen Z, and renters everywhere. The universities preaching about wealth inequality are likely the same ones making the housing crisis even worse. And yes, that includes your university too. Let me show you how. Now, do colleges actually go out and buy homes? No, but their endowments are bankrolling the real estate funds on Wall Street that do go out and buy them. And every year, billions flow from Ivy League portfolios straight into Wall Street. So let's expose how your tuition money actually helps to fund rent hikes. It all started in the 1980s with David Swensen, an SVP at Lehman Brothers who actually structured the first ever currency swap, ditched Wall Street to reinvent how universities invest. He shifted Yale's endowment from purely stocks and bonds into alternative assets like private equity, venture capital, real assets. And today, this is called the Yale model. Flowers where flowers are due, he crushed it. He grew Yale's endowment from 1 billion to over 42 billion today with 13% annualized return. So naturally, every other university copied it. How can they copy, but students can't? Anyways, today, the top 50 endowments manage 655 billion, and up to 40% of that, or 250 billion, sits within alternative assets or private equity, like the ones going around and buying up housing. Take the University of California with 34 billion in alternative assets. They invested 4 billion into Blackstone's BREIT, a real estate fund. And BREIT bought Home Partners of America for 6 billion. They own 24,000 homes that are now under institutional ownership. And that's just one university and one fund. Remember, there's over 5 trillion in private equity today. So while universities like to lecture on wealth inequality, many of their endowments actually help to fuel the housing crisis today. And they pay huge fees to Wall Street funds, often run by their own alumni, which in turn price others out of housing. So suddenly those large alumni donations, they start to look a little bit more like strategic investments. And if you care about housing affordability, push your schools to publish their endowment lists and support policies that limit institutional homeownership. Otherwise, we're gonna be stuck in dorm housing forever, and no one wants that.